Okay, so much to show you guys. Buttage, I think, yes. So much budding is happening up in here. Shrinkage. Okay, wait, before we get into that, 360 degrees, let's get it. Okay, getting into it. Budding is for real, for real. Can someone say butterfly lock or no? This is what people are trying to replicate when they do the butterfly locks. It's the budding stages, because a lot of mine look like it. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah. Let's just start with the front and I'll show you guys the back. The front looks good. I just interlocked last week because I don't know if it's new growth or if like it's still not locked, so like it keeps slipping down and it like it's locking in the middle, but my roots just are like, you know, they need to be tamed. So that's what I've been doing. Okay, and I'll show you my colored side. I just touched it up a few days ago, so it's looking really vibrant. This side, I guess. Show you guys my rat tail. This is Ratty right here. You can see. So what's this triangle? I'm gonna show you the back. I'm going to, let me talk about, I don't know what it is about this lock journey, but I just am enjoying myself so much this time around. I don't know if it's like I wasn't ready for the journeys before or what, but I am just really enjoying my hair. Like, I really am. I just like that. I like the way it's progressing. I like the curly ends. I like that the back is like, you know, looking like little butterfly locks, and it's like, it's locking, the back is locking faster than the front. I don't mind it. I'm not in a rush for my hair to lock. Like, I'm just enjoying every little step. I'm like being so present, and I don't know, I just have so much more appreciation for this lock journey than I did the other 2 or 3 that I had before. I don't really know why that is. I think that I just feel like maybe I was just ready this time around, but yeah. So the curly ends, I'm really feeling those. I think they look so cute. I think they just, I don't know, they're just cute, little curly cues. I kind of hope they just don't lock up. I think I'm gonna keep them. I think I'm just gonna keep like conditioning them and stuff so that they don't lock up too. I love interlocking. I really do. I have not had any problems at all. I don't know if you could even see. I don't want to focus the camera and then I'm going to be out of focus and stuff, but I just like it a lot. It's so neat. I can wash my hair whenever I want and not worry about my retwist coming undone. I am just really enjoying interlocking so much. What else can I say? The only time I really retwist is like the front, when I want it to look a little neater. Right now it's looking a little weird, but it's because I like had gel on my edges the other day and it kind of like looks like this now. Month one has gone by fast. I can't believe it's been a month. I've been enjoying it. I spray my hair. I spray my hair with water, rose water, or my little hair growth oil water, aloe juice spray. Or I just, when I'm taking a hot shower, I just let my hair out like this and let the humidity hit it. I don't let water hit it directly. I just let I take really hot showers. I like really hot showers, so it gets really steamy in there, and then my hair just feels really soft, and then I just get out the shower, let it out, so I just let it breathe so that it doesn't stay wet. I didn't spray my hair today. My hair feels pretty good. It feels great. And I just washed it 3 or 4 days ago. I barely use this rose. Oh damn. How much do I use? I was about to say I barely use this rose water, but look at it. It's almost like, it's like right here. Really? Maybe it's because I use a lot when I'm spraying it. But I rarely use it. I mean, I probably just use it when I'm on camera filming a YouTube video, which was probably like 2 or 3 times. But yeah, I think it's because I actually use it a lot, because it kind of takes a while for the water to penetrate my hair. As you can see, I'm like spraying a lot right now. But yeah, I mostly use the shower. I take a shower every day, so I mean that's what you're supposed to do. But I just let the moisture, the humidity hit it, so I don't really use the rose water unless I'm on camera, and like damn, I use a lot of it. I don't know what else to say really. Like, short sweet video, I guess. Buds. Let's just look. I don't know. I don't really have much to say. Like, they're just doing these things, so hope you guys could see all this. I don't know. Should I do this thing? Like I said, the back is shorter. The back is shorter than the front, so it's been like, you know, shrinking a whole freaking lot, which I'm not mad at. It's doing its thing. It's just kind of cool to see it, like your hair literally, like if you have a coil like this, like say your curl starts here and it's coiling down like this, it literally is just shrinking up on itself. And I had one that I wanted to show. I think this is like a kind of a good one. Like, I don't know if you guys could see like those bumps right there. It's like a lump and then a dip and then and it's literally just like doing this. It's like shrinking in on itself. And then the curly end, of course, just wants to chill. But yeah, it's kind of cool to see that. Man, I'm just so present and enjoying everything. I think the other times, like, I think my last lock journey, I was more chill, but I definitely was like, man, I can't hurry up and lock. I can't wait for you to lock. I was definitely way more chill than like my other journeys. So I'm losing daylight, I feel. So it's like kind of getting darker. You see these buds? You see them? I know you see them buds, bud. You see how short this one is compared to these? Look at this. Ooh, look at that one. You is gonna be a thickie. That's pretty much all I wanted to say and come on here and just show you guys what I'm working with right now. And that's about it. I'm enjoying my hair, and